India is home to 26 unicorn startups, most of which are in the tech industry. Majority of Indians use the services of these startups at least once or twice every day. If you're wondering what a unicorn startup is, then here's the textbook definition. A unicorn is a privately held startup company valued at over 1 billion US dollars. The term was coined in 2013 by venture capitalist Alan Lee. In this video, you'll see a list of top 10 most valued unicorn startups in India. Hi, I'm Jayesh, and this is Books for Hustlers.
Every motherfucking
If this is your first time here, Books for Hustlers shares book recommendation of some of the most successful entrepreneurs that ever walked our planet. If you are an entrepreneur or aspire to be one, then consider subscribing our channel. Without further ado, here's the list of top 10 most valued unicorn startups in India. Startup number 10, Delhivery. Delhivery is India's leading supply chain service company. It offers logistics and operation services to several medium and large e-commerce companies. Delhivery is founded by Sahil Barua, Bhavesh Manglani, Mohit Tandon, Kapil Bharti, and Suraj Sahran. As of March 2019, it is valued at 1.6 billion US dollars. Number 9, BillDesk. BillDesk provides payment gateway services to merchants for online transaction. They also provide bill payments and settlement services to large billers like electricity, water, insurance, and other service providers. It is founded by Karthik Ganapathy, Ajay Kaushal, M.N. Srinivasu, and as of November 2018, it is valued at 1.8 billion US dollars. Number 8, Renew Power. Renew Power is a renewable energy company that develops, builds, owns and operates utility-scaled wind and solar energy projects, as well as distributed solar energy projects that generate energy for commercial and industrial customers. Renew Power is founded by Sumant Sinha and is valued at 2 billion US dollars. Startup number 7, Udaan. Udaan is a B2B marketplace that connects small retailers with wholesalers and traders. The platform supports a wide range of categories from lifestyle, electronics, home and kitchen, staples and toys to fruits and vegetables. Udaan is founded by Amod Malviya, Vaibhav Gupta, Sujit Kumar, and is valued at 2.8 billion US dollars. Startup number 6, Zomato. Zomato is a restaurant aggregator and food delivery startup which provides information, menus, and user reviews of restaurants and also has food delivery options for partners' restaurants in selected cities. It is founded by Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda. And as of April 2020, it is valued at 3.25 billion US dollars. Startup number 5, Swiggy. Swiggy is a food delivery startup which has partnered with several restaurants and provides door-to-door delivery to customers all around India. Swiggy is founded by Sriharsha Majeti, Nandan Reddy, and Rahul Jaimini. It is valued at 3.5 billion US dollars. Number 4, Byju's. Byju's is India's largest edtech startup. The idea is to reinvent how students learn and transform learning into fun by their learning classes and the learning app. Byju's classes offer preparation training for different competitive examinations as well. It is founded by Byju's Ravindran and is valued at 5.4 billion US dollars. Startup number 3, Ola Cabs. Ola Cab is India's largest taxi aggregator. It is founded by Bhavish Agarwal and Ankit Bhatti. It is valued at 10 billion US dollars. Number 2, Oyo. Oyo is India's largest hotel aggregator which offers best-in-class rooms at affordable pricing. It is founded by Ritesh Agarwal and is valued at 10 billion US dollars. And startup number 1, Paytm. Paytm is a digital payment platform that provides users to transfer cash into integrated wallets via online banking, debit card, and credit cards, or even by depositing cash via selected banks and partners. It is founded by Vijay Shekhar Sharma, and as of March 2019, Paytm has net valuation of 18 billion US dollars. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please consider subscribing and do watch our other videos too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.